there, Moonshiner. All driving around, we got
Hello down there, Moonshiner. If you got a sloppy copy, 445 Radio Man, Mississippi waving.
Can he make it cross the ocean? Preacherman, flip 445. Moonshiner's waving at you. 27 there, folks.
Alright, Moonshiner, I'm waving right back at you. I heard my friend 813, 445, reading the mail.
Now, you bulldog guy, you got cut off at the left. Have a good day, we appreciate the shout. King and Tampa again down. 87.
Alright, hey, Moonshiner said I got cut off a little bit. Ain't no pain, no strain. Hey, Moonshiner, 445 Mississippi. 445 Mississippi. 445 Mississippi. They call me Radio Man. We waving a hand.
Radio Man. XYZ 813, bye. You're making all that noise. Just talk on my radio. 357.
Yeah, I said 445. I said 445 Mississippi. I said 445 Radio Man, Mississippi.
Emerald Coast, cut down.
Hey, my friend in Georgia boys just come like these big boys. They ain't playing today with this Mother Nature condition. Hey, Georgia in the house. Georgia.
Come on back here, Mother Nature on 445.
Like a mouse.
Got to be unbelievable. 445 Watchmaker, Emerald Coast. 445.
Hey, Watchmaker, I thought I recognized your voice out there. Hey, Watchmaker, you're sounding real good in Mississippi. Long time no CB, my friend out of Texas. Hey, Watchmaker, 445. What's happening down there in Florida today?
Hey, buddy,
445, 813.
I got all of that.
445, 813.
Finally got you on my radio since I'm in Florida. 445, your Watchmaker, right back.
Alright, Watchmaker, well, you ain't got many of them behind you. I heard 813 up in there. Hey, Watchmaker, hope everything's well and swell with your family. Hey, hope everything stays good. Hey, Watchmaker, your friend in Mississippi, 445. God bless you. Bye-bye.
I appreciate it, 445. You too. You stay safe up there, sir, and you all be
445, I'll see you.
My friend, Mr. Radio Man. The Watchmaker, Emerald Coast, cut down.
Hi, Watchmaker. Good to have you in my radio finally for a long time. Boy, you're on a big old vein down there in Florida. Hey, Watchmaker, have a good one, 445. We'll put it on you another day, another way.
All right, brother.
445.
Just brother. Sounded real good, sir. Nice hearing you. Hey, 445. We'll catch you again.
All right, there, Watchmaker. I think 813 wanted me to roll a friendly 5 to you. He said, hello. I think that's what he meant. Hey, Watchmaker, I'm rolling a 5.
Hey, I appreciate it.
I appreciate it, 445.
That
445, I appreciate it.
I appreciate the 445. Your Watchmaker, Emerald Coast Beast. Right back.
All right, Watchmaker 813. Both y'all can watch it on video gate. I got one rolling. Y'all be good, be safe. We'll catch you on the other side. Bye.
Bye, 445. Take care, brother.
One more time. Let's go, Georgia, Preacherman. Let's go. I got you, XYZ. Yo, that's my good friend, XYZ. Bad news. That's my good good friend, the X to the Y to the Z. Hey, good evening time, XYZ. I finally got you out there, man. It was rough and tough. Sorry about that. My apologies. Good evening to you, my friend, XYZ.
813, I heard you in there. 813. I think you're over there in Nevada or Utah or something I seen today, but man, I got them plugging me from the Bahamas, South Florida, Arkansas, Mississippi, Missouri, St. Louis. But Flicker, you making a trip in that Mobile. No doubt, I heard you in there. 813, Wolverine Radio, your Watchmaker. I'm waving.
I hear from you, XYZ. Now you be safe until we can get to do it again someday, man, XYZ.
I got a copy on you, wild man.
XYZ, you be good in the neighborhood as you should. You're sounding big and bogadocious down here in the Bahamas as always. Good evening time to my good friend, XYZ, Doopy the Preacher Man down here in the Bahamas on the band.
My man with the money waving, bro.
Best I can.
Now you stay safe up there in Oklahoma City, wild man. You're making a good trip down here, my friend. Sounding real good. Wow. I think we got a little Oklahoma in there. We got some Mother Nature there, fellas. And I ain't been on this radio in a long time. Hey, wild man, sounding all kinds of good, sir. Your Watchmaker, 1 hour east of Pensacola. Got that.
Pleasure talking to you. Oh, that's right. You take it easy, be safe, you and your family. Until we do it again. XYZ, Preacher Man.
Dog, Deputy Garvey.
XYZ, Preacher Man in the Blue Waters. Preacher Man, preach black man, I'm doing the best I can.
I didn't knock your fingers on this here. Hey, 109, I heard you too over there in the bayou, my friend. Sounded good there, 109.
Being XYZ, you coming inside of my den. XYZ, 813, getting down.
This is the maker, Alright there, 109. Alright, 109, you take care. Sounded good, my friend. Watchmaker, 1 hour east, Pensacola. Got down.